What to do that for?
Oh my goodness! I thought you were somebody else. Oh, well, in this case, you are somebody else. At least, you're not the person I thought you were.
Say what?
Never mind. Oh, Susanna Hugh Whistlefeathers, bird watcher at large.
We all know your name by now, and the Q stands for something crazy, right?
Something crazy. Susanna something crazy Whistlefeathers. That doesn't even make sense for a middle name. No, the Q stands for... The Q is silent.
Whatever, Susanna. Why on earth did you think it was okay to bop me with that thing on your hands?
Oh, you mean my whiz bobber? Oh, it's for dealing with rather dangerous birds. Or annoying people like Professor Gretchen Snortbeak.
Who?
Gretchen Snortbeak! You see, we are both bird watchers in pursuit of the rare and elusive lovebirds. She's my most bitter rival. She's always bragging. I'm sure to catch those lovebirds before you. Do you like my platinum binoculars? They're from France. Lovebirds love French binoculars. She drives me insane!
Susanna, that does sound annoying, but this is silly. Are you sure lovebirds even exist?
Of course they do! I'm an expert! I know all about birds! For instance, do you know why ducks sip their tea with their pinkies out?
I don't think ducks even had fingers.
Precisely! That's why I'm the expert! A better expert than Gretchen Snortbeak! Oh, I just hate her!
Hold on, Susanna. You know, for someone who knows a lot about being a Christian, you sure aren't acting like one right now. You love God, right?
Oh, yes, more than anything.
I'm not seeing any proof of that right now.
Whoa,
you see,
that's deep.
if you love God, that means you should also love others. You see, we all have something in common.
We all had pet microwaves as a child.
No, we did not.
Oh, perhaps that was just me. I never wanted to pay for the food.
Anyway, what I was going to say is we should all prove that we love God by loving others. If you don't love others, then that proves that you don't love God.
Oh my goodness. That means that if I claim to love God but I don't love people, then that makes me a liar. Oh, I've been nothing but a silly ninny head. Even though Gretchen gets on my nerves, I should love her anyway because God does, and I love God. Thank you so much for helping me today. I'm going to... Wait, do you hear that?
No. What is it?